guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we do have a box to go through. Now, this is a box of clothing from Karen Ann MUA's closet. This is a rate my closet kind of thing. Now, there are a couple of other girls in this video, not in this video, but in this like collaboration. Karen sent 3 ladies clothes out of her closet to rate and try on. So I'm going to go ahead and go through my box. I will leave Karen's link down below in the description box. I will also leave Amanda Duh and Beauty and More with Renee down in the description box. Do go check them out if you don't know who they are, or at least go watch their video. Watching videos does help us all grow, and I know that Renee is very close. Some of us aren't as close as we would like to be, but every little bit does help. So this is a rate my closet. As I go through this box, I am going to put up pictures of me trying this stuff on. So I am going to scoot a little bit over so that y'all are able to see all of the pictures. I would like to start out by saying it's good to be doing a video. I know I've been gone for a minute. Life has just been up and down and up and down. If you do follow my channel, my daughter is pregnant. She is 6 months pregnant, and she is having a little boy. So we are having our second grandson. So we are excited. Let's go ahead and go through this box. Now, this is the box that she sent. It is a huge FabFitFun box. And for the most part, everything in here fit me. And I will tell you the pieces that I just fell in love with. I hope that I get the pictures in correctly. I tried to fold it all back of the way that I tried it on. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and go through everything. So the first thing, as you will see in the picture, is this little shirt right here. It's a little half crop top shirt, and it has a little collar that goes around your neck. I actually like this shirt a bunch. This is my kind of shirt. So I did like this. The next thing I believe was this little black dress. It does have the little holes for the shoulder, and it does hang off the shoulder. And it's a cute little dress. Very nice, light feeling material. So in the summertime, that will be great. She did send me a bunch of dresses. So Karen, if you're watching this, I need you to send me somebody to go out with these dresses. Work and sleep is basically what I do anymore. I did like that little black dress. The next one was this little black dress. It crisscrosses in the back. Now, this was not a favorite of mine. It is a high-low dress. If you can see that, there you go. It is a high-low dress. I think if I put a sweater over the top of it, I might like that more. But as it is, I will wear it. But I do have other ones in here that I would wear before that. Now, this one is a light blue little sundress. I had bought one of these a couple of years ago in bright orange, and I wore it over my bathing suit. It does really well with that, so I'm glad to have another one because I no longer have my orange one. So that blue one will definitely come in handy for that. The next thing is this little navy piece right here, and this is a little romper shorts, which fit perfect. I do have I have a long everything. Long legs, long torso, long everything. So finding things like this just never happened for me. And this fit great. I love it. It is navy blue. The next thing was this little thing. This was the tightest fitting outfit that she sent me. It's just a little dress, little summer dress, which I will probably be giving to my niece I'm sure it will fit her a little bit better than it does me. Now this outfit right here, again, is a little jumper. It's the little shorts. It does have pockets, which you will see in the pictures. I absolutely adore this. Now, I don't have anything like this in my clothing, but I fell in love with this and cannot wait for summer to get here so that I can wear it. Then we have a nice long black dress. It is open around the arms, goes around your neck, open in the back, has the very long dress itself, and then this beautiful ribbon in the middle that goes all the way around. So I did like this too. Then another little sundress. This one is sleeveless with a little crisscross in the back. Just a little run around the house or even sleep-in dress. Now, when I seen this one, I thought, man, I'm just a little too old to be wearing this. But as you can see in the picture, it did come out. It's a very cute dress. I like it. There's also a pink one in here like this. So I didn't think that it would be something that I could wear, but all in all, I can. This little dress is super cute. It's very see-through. It's got the open around the collar, down the sleeves, or the shoulders, and then in the back it is completely open. And I just love the color of it. So there is that one. Then we have this little dress. This is more of a traditional church. Well, it's a little short, but going out on the town, I guess. I liked it. Okay, and here is that pink one to match the black one that I just showed y'all. Again, I did not think that it was something I was going to be able to wear. And all the little frilly, lacy, girly part of it, I actually like. So, she did great there. Now, this dress is one of my absolute favorites that she sent me. It's a cream color, very big, stretchy sleeves, and it just flows and hangs. So I actually like this one. I did notice that it came with belt loops, but no belt. So I'm gonna have to find a belt or take these off. I'm not real sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I can't wait to wear that. Then we have this, and I don't know if this is a dress or a shirt, but it makes a dress for me. It again is open around the shoulders, sleeves, quarter sleeves, and that is what it looks like. Then we have a little maroon lace shirt. It's got lace around the bottom and in the back, in the middle. Super cute shirt. Definitely will wear it. Then we have a little black one that goes around your head and is open up in the back. Has the built-in bra with it, which I love. I am not real big on wearing a bra anyway. Then we have this little shirt, which I will definitely wear like around the house, but it's a little too tight for me to wear out. And then we have a little thermal shirt with the sleeves cut out, a little opening in the front, and it's super cute too. So that was what Karen sent me. And all in all, she did really well. Like I said, there's a couple of pieces in there that I absolutely adore. A couple of pieces that I was shocked. The little jumper rompers, both of those are super, super, super cute. I cannot wait to wear them. A couple of the dresses I actually do love. Even when I thought that they weren't going to be something that I myself could wear, I actually do think that they are. So again, Karen, thank you so very much. I thought this was such a great idea when she brought this to my attention. I really wish that I would have cleaned out my closet before I totally moved out, since I left a whole closet and a half full of clothes. They totally could have went to somebody else. So, this is a great idea. If you have somebody that you're interested in that could reuse clothing, I thought it was great. I can't wait to see the other girls' videos and see what they got. So again, Karen, I do appreciate it. Girls, Renee, Amanda, I hope that y'all had fun with your boxes. I know I had a blast with mine. I am wearing the Natasha Denona Xeon palette on my eyes today. I just bought this off of Macari. I am loving it. Super cute. I love the grays and the silver. And then Jeffree Star's Gravedigger on my lips. I did do a declutter. Please comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I do have them all boxed up. I need to find some people that are okay with taking gently used makeup. Maybe after my declutter, if y'all would like me to film that, let me know if you're interested in anything. Or I can just not do the declutter and just send it to people of my choice. I do have a box of new items that I thought about doing just like a mystery box giveaway thing with. Comment down below and let me know what you think about that. Like I said, I do apologize for being gone so long, guys, but I got my hands full right now. We have been in here over a year. We have come a long, long way. I am super excited. I do want to do a updated camper tour, so comment down below. Let me know what you're interested in seeing. Do go by and check out the other girls' videos. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, remember, I love y'all. Stay beautiful. Nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. And if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. If you do nothing else, at least give me a thumbs up. Comment. That really does show interaction. And I love hearing from y'all. And until next time, mwah.